घर बैठ के बोर हो रहे हैं तो आइए आज करते हैं वर्चुअल टूर आईटीसी रॉयल बंगाल का। यू कैन थैंक मी लेटर।
When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like
come closer, look at the view. Oops, sorry, आपको बताना तो हम भूल ही गए। फिर से शुरू करते हैं। The hotel is an exquisite ode to Bengal's timeless architecture and design. It celebrates distinctive architectural elements and nuances visible in many iconic buildings of Kolkata and the region. Clusters of iconic pillars, small pediments, arches, blind arcades, colonnades, and terraces distribute the building's enormous mass to graceful proportions. The interior decor, art, and artifacts celebrate the past and present of bountiful Bengal. आप होटल बुक करते समय किस चीज़ का ध्यान देते हैं? द प्राइस ऑफ द रूम, वैल्यू फॉर मनी, डेकोर, द स्टार रेटिंग्स। वेल, मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है खाना, और यहाँ का खाना बहुत ही लाजवाब है। यू विल बी स्पॉइल्ड फॉर चॉइसेस। Delectable would be the right word. This is Grand Market Pavilion, a restaurant that is inspired by the erstwhile Hog Market of Calcutta in the Esplanade area. This vibrant restaurant has 6 separate food theaters serving 3 buffet meals. Filled with the sensibilities of a marketplace, freshness, familiarity, and discovery, the restaurant features an extensive spread of Indian and international delicacies that are prepared in live arenas. Now, adjacent to this is the Darjeeling Lounge, which is a charming tea lounge with artisanal teas obtained from single estates, brewed perfectly. Coffees and other beverages are on offer with scrumptious array of bite-sized delights, and that too for free. It pays homage to the tea estates of the 1800s. Open 24 hours a day, the lounge is a perfect place to relax and catch up over tea. And you would soon find yourself settling into the Bengali culture of adda or indulging in a leisurely chat. This palatial property that had in a way changed the landscape of the city had blown me off my feet. In case you feel too lazy or too tired, खाना आप अपने रूम में भी मंगा सकते हैं। Hello, conditions apply. Well, आपको जान के खुशी होगी कि ये होटल LEED प्लैटिनम सर्टिफाइड होटल है। इसका मतलब कि ये अपने प्रॉमिस ऑफ लग्जरी को अपहेल्ड करता है, जबकि प्लैनेट को भी प्रोटेक्ट करता है सेंसिटिविटी के साथ। Now, LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. इफ़ यू आर अ फूडी लाइक मी, और अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो आप जा सकते हैं रॉयल वेगा, जो कि है एक्सक्लूसिव लग्जरी वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट। और अपने इटालियन क्रेविंग्स के लिए आप जा सकते हैं ओटिमो क्यूसीना इटालियाना में। इसके अलावा एक है यहाँ पे द ब्रास रूम, which is a pulsating bar that captures Kolkata's acclaimed passion for jazz, blues, and rock and roll. At a height of 133 meters, the ITC Royal Bengal stands as one of the tallest buildings in the city. इस शानदार होटल में अपने पॉकेट के हिसाब से आप टावर्स एक्सक्लूसिव ITC 1 लग्जरी स्वीट या सर्विस रेजिडेंसेस में रह सकते हैं। और इसके बारे में और इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए लॉग ऑन टू itchotels.com. And if you had a tiring day, so don't worry, you have a salon, you have a royal spa, you have health and fitness center, and everything that you need for a perfect trip. यकीन नहीं आता ना, तो खुद ही देख लीजिए। An amazing swimming pool जो कि कोविड के कारण बंद था, which is spectacular. This is ITC's second luxury property in Kolkata. Now 2 hotels, unique hotels and 1 legacy. Connected to ITC Sonar with a walkway, the 2 hotels are an ideal meeting and events destination in close proximity to the city's largest convention and exhibition venues. जितना खूबसूरत ये दिन में दिखता है, उससे कई ज्यादा खूबसूरत ये रात में दिखता है। Flaunting its curves and edges in the night, this is ITC Royal Bengal. So have a look. you liked this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future